Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're talking about a very common and useful word, bicycle. A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle that you power by pedaling. It's a word you've probably heard before, and it's perfect for today's episode because it's simple, fun, and easy to use in everyday conversations. The word bicycle comes from the prefix by, meaning two, and cycle, meaning wheel. It's a fantastic way to get around, and it's good for the environment too. Some synonyms for bicycle are bike, cycle, and two-wheeler. For example, you could say, I ride my bike to work every day, or she just bought a new two-wheeler for her weekend rides. On the other hand, antonyms for bicycle would be vehicles that don't rely on pedals or wheels in the same way. Examples include car, motorcycle, or bus. You might say, instead of driving a car, I decided to take my bicycle to the park, or I prefer my bicycle over motorcycle because it's quieter and more peaceful. In everyday life, bicycles are incredibly versatile. You can use them to commute, exercise, or just enjoy the outdoors. Imagine this. I love taking my bicycle out on sunny mornings for a ride around the neighborhood. Or can you believe he rode his bicycle all the way to the next town? That's impressive. Here are a couple of sentences to show how you can use bicycle in your own conversations. My new bicycle has a basket on the front for groceries. It's important to wear a helmet when riding a bicycle for safety. Do you want to borrow my bicycle for the weekend? That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. Let's quickly recap. We talked about the word bicycle, its meaning, some synonyms like bike and two-wheeler, and some antonyms like car and motorcycle. I hope you found this episode helpful and are excited to use the word bicycle in your own sentences. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear how you would use the word bicycle in a sentence, so share your sentence in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.